Welcome back to the EO Master Tailor channel. Explain to us what we have here on the mannequin. What are we trying to fix here on this garment?
Is the collar wall behind the neck. This is one of the most common alteration customer ask for. They don't like to see that little roll behind the neck. Most of the time when you see that, you grab it to make sure you make it clean. Then you figure out if it's ½ inch or if it's 3/4 of an inch, if it's 1/4 of an inch. Then if it's a ½ inch, you just put the chalk mark right here behind the neck, between the canvas and right here. That means they're going to bring the collar down. Then when the customer put the garments back, it will fit like we don't have to make it look straight. That's lower collar. We call this one lower collar. There is another posture. When there is a gap behind the neck.
You're talking about, for example,
Shorten.
and I don't know if you can see me, but as if my coat was pulling out from the back like this. And,
yes.
and you're going to try to do something to fix that, right?
To fix that, exactly. What I will do in this case, you can let it go. I'm going to grab this to make it hug your neck. We call this shorten the collar. We're going to mark this. We're going to stop it. In his case, you see, it's good through here. We're going to make a seam here to shorten the collar up to here. The tailor will understand. We're not going to cut the collar in the middle there. We will open the whole thing to remake it. But the salesperson will understand there is no way he would never have a seam in the back of the collar. But that's the way to figure out how much to shorten the collar. When it's finished, it can hug the customer's neck. I mean, like this without.
And I know that a lot of times this happens because a customer is beginning to stoop a little bit.
Exactly.
So every time that a person's neck begins to move over and he's stooping a little bit, then it's going to come off my collar, off my neck.
Then you will have the gap between your neck and the collar. That's the way to solve a problem like this.
Fantastic. So thankful for joining us again for another one of the episodes of EO Master Tailor Channel. Like or subscribe or make any comments, any questions that you may have. And we look forward to joining us next time.